Spring's the perfect time to get your warm season edibles into the garden. Think tomatoes, capsicums and eggplant. So let me show you how to plant them up. Now capsicums, tomatoes and eggplants all love a full sun position. So I'm going to put them in here to this veggie bed in amongst the basil and the marigolds as companion plants where they'll be really happy. So I'll just position them around and then we can start planting. This is a really rich, free-draining soil that I've improved with plenty of compost and well-aged manure, so it's perfect for these edibles. But if you are using a potting mix to plant into pots, just choose a really top-quality potting mix. Planting capsicums and eggplants is really easy. Just dig the hole and pop them straight in. And don't forget to add some mulch around each plant. This is tomato sweet bite. And like all tomato plants, it can be deep planted. So bury up to 5 centimetres of the stem into the hole when planting. And this will encourage more roots to form and help establish the plant well. Sweet bite's the tall growing variety, so it's going to need some stakes. And it's best practice to put them in now at planting time because that way you won't disturb the roots. I like to add at least 2 stakes now at planting. And then I can add string looped between the 2 stakes at regular intervals to support the tomatoes as they grow. And to really keep your spring crops happy, give them a regular dose of liquid fertiliser and they'll love you for it. So this spring, start a veggie garden and you'll be harvesting tasty homegrown produce in no time.